We are decorating our room for Christmas. Okay, so the thing is that I always wanted to celebrate Christmas since my childhood. It's like kind of a fantasy for me. I don't know why, but I was so attracted to Christmas. Maybe because of all those Christmas movies I watched during the holidays on Star Movies. Also, because I am so attracted towards aesthetic decor, and Christmas just serves that purpose. Just like Halloween, it serves the dark decor aesthetic visuals, I guess. So this Christmas I thought, let's just celebrate it. Why not? So this whole video is just a vlog of how I achieved that cottagecore theme, even though I failed at making a really beautiful Christmas tree. But yeah, if you still want to see me, then watch the video. So what is a cottagecore theme? It's basically a romanticized version of a village life. People who live in the outskirts of the city, and yeah, it's not practical, but it's aesthetically pleasing, because of which the cottagecore theme is really trending on the internet. I mean, girls wearing flowy clothes and taking a stroll in the woods just to make videos. I mean, I love it because that's what I used to do in my childhood. I literally roamed around in the woods to collect all those dead butterfly wings. I know it's creepy. And also to collect all those really specific kind of rocks which I thought were really unique. Yeah, I know. I was that kind of nerd. Step 1. Collect your ingredients. The tree that is close to being a Christmas tree near me is this Australian pine tree. So I thought, let's just start with it.
আমি তো ঘরে পশিয়াক দেবে ইয়াকু
ଏଇଥିରୁ ହେଇଯିବ ମତେ ଲାଗୁନି ମମି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଆଣୁଛି କ୍ରିସମାସ ଟ୍ରି ପ୍ଲିଜ ନ୍ୟୁ ଇୟର ସେ ରହିବ
ଚୁପଚାପ ସେ ଗଛ ଯୋଉଟା ହେଇଠି ଅଛି ତା ଉପରେ ଲାଇଟ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇକି ହେଇଯିବନି ସଜେଇ ଦେଲେ ଓନ୍ଲି ଚଢିଆ କଷ୍ଟ
ଯା ଲଗା ଏଇ ୱାୟାର ନେଇକି ଯିବୁ କେତେ ଦୂର ଯାଏ ଏଟା ଭଲ ଦେଖା ବି ହଉଛି
ଥୋଳାନି କିଛି ହବ ବି କି ନୁହେଁ ମତେ ଡାଉଟ ହଉଛି ସିରିୟସଲି
Step 2. DIY your decor. These are the things that I am gonna work with now, and I am just thinking of using this leaf instead of painting, cause painting will take too much time. But I know in cottagecore theme people usually do embroidery, and that will take too much time just like painting. So I just wanna go with the easy way, cause I have to edit a lot of videos anyway. Okay, I have to break one more small stick. Let's do it. I have to break this much. Well, as you can see, I ended up painting anyways, but I did use all the forest and nature things. I mean, I'm loving it, literally loving it. I used this. This was a dried grass which was actually cut off, and used this to tie it down together. as you can see. Also I used a cardboard cutout because the paper, you cannot tie it on the paper. Cut it out from this Cadbury celebration which was lying on my shelf for a really long time. I need to now more to go. I am keeping this glass ketchup bottle in this surf water in the hope that the sticker will come out easily. Okay, then after that in the evening we went to someone's house in the colony.
एक्चुअली जो वे रे शैडो बनची ना बहुत भल देखाउची
ସେଇଠି ମୁନ୍ ଅଛି ମତେ ସିରିୟସଲି ସେଇ ଫାୟାର ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ରେ ଯାଇ ଯିବାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ହଉଛି
ଯିବା
ହଁ
ଯିବା
wow this came out really easy. I was not expecting the sticker to come out really easily. After that I just decorated the Christmas tree.
ତତେ କଣ ଲାଗୁଛି ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲା ନା ମେ ବି ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲା
Step 3
और भी ओके लाइट ऑफ करी देखिया हाँ सीरियसली गच्छ देखाउनी the gotcha lost its presence stage presence
wow light reflection
एबे हेइतरु ही खोसवा पड़ियो maybe no
and used the dried corns to give the cottagecore vibe and decorated in few other places in my room to make it look more cottagecore appropriate. Guys, earthquake happened just now. I was sitting on this bed and it started shaking. I was so shocked. Even my mother was shocked. The Christmas and its beauty and the never-ending obsession to watch the Christmas tree forever, unless it's ugly like this. Because of which I just ended up taking too much pictures to just show people that I'm enjoying Christmas, but I am so unsatisfied with the Christmas tree that I cannot take it seriously. Seriously, auntie बहुत भला just because I'm a great Christmastree थांता ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଯାଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତି କେମିତି ଦେଖା ହଉଛି ପୁରା ଲାଲ ଏମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି ପୁରା ଫେସ୍ ଯାକ ବ୍ଲସ୍ ବ୍ଲସ୍ ଲାଗିଛି लिपस्टिक भी रेड लिपस्टिक
ତୋର ଏମିତି କାଇଁ ଦେଖାଉତାନି ତୋର ନର୍ମାଲ ଦେଖାଉଛି ଓ ଏବେ ଟିକେ ହେଲା ହେଲେ ଏତେ ନା ଦେଖାଉନି
बाप रे कौन कौन करी सारलानी सीरियसली स्पाइडर ओ ये स्पाइडर वाला सेया करियो ना सी जो
फाइनली डरेइबो याकू
हाँ
ये स्पाइडर को किछ करथनी स्पाइडर भी इसे घरे प्रोटेक्ट करियो
स्पाइडर तांका पेट थिबो
ता भाई रो
हां से बदमाश फाइनली आसिले बोका गोडा जो माने सब आडे प्लान को ही बुलु थांती
वो जो छोटा सा तम होची साइड इधर ओके
एइठो एमिति केमति लगेबे एइठी वो लिटिल रेड राइड सेडे कोन रेड राइडिंग हुड लिटिल रेड राइडिंग हुड
स्टोरी रो ना स्टोरी रो ना हेतरे कैरेक्टर ना जदी किछ थिबा मु जानि नी काहे कि मु से स्टोरी जाननी क्लियर
बट वो समहाउ हे बिसरे जानिली आ मते सेमती वाला हुडी दरकार ताकि रेड संगे मैच हे कि मैं एमिति करी कि
सी क्लोक पिनथिबा एक्चुअली हुडी पिनथिबनी
हां
सी क्लोक पिनथिबा हुडी नो
बट मोर तो एडी हुडी गले हे जीव ना मानिया सगर मु जंगल जाइथिली हमो कॉर्न धरी बुलुची केमा पज ना भला पोज दबा बिचरा बेडशीट पड़ी न जा